Where's he at? Look at that, look at that, look at that. See that motherfucker? Watch this. And I fucking used a bunch of roach killer like 2 days ago. There's somebody. Now watch. This guy's still fucking alive. Look at that. Look at that. That dude's alive. Shit's already done. Hello. Look at this shit, dude. They're everywhere. Where y'all at? Killed most of them. Look, look. He's been in here for over a minute. I bet he's alive. There's them. Look, he's right there just chilling. He's right there just chilling. He's right there just chilling. What the fuck is that? Time to eat. Gas station burger.